Queremos.
I know. That's why I got 60 bucks last already.
How many? Wow.
Got so many speakers in this motherfucker. This is show.
Yeah, mother just tore my motherfucker 6x9 amps down. Motherfucker got that shit. Damn. I had 4 of the motherfuckers back there. I got new ones though. Bitch, bust the motherfucker up. Now I don't want to go up. I gotta give it a hand to go out. driving a navy blue Chevy Impala. Smacked him on the driver's side between the door and the fender. Oh, turn it up. I don't have my face on. Oh.
I guess.
Oh, I ain't got this. I'm stripes. This your boy Q, Hunting Boy Q the Shark, for the bust his ass in this pool.
Yeah, what the fuck ever.
Say something for the
This
camera.
the last. What up, bitches? This the last couple hours of the day in Hollywood DVD. We down here about to have a smoke out. Q,
You solid some stripes.
Shark and shit.
I'm sorry.
Oh, pin shark, I forgot.
We about to get naked.
I'm striped, you hit my ball.
We finna. Didn't you just say
You solid.
we finna have
stripes.
the first exotic
Weed session.
smoke out.
Hit my ball.
And basically that's it. Shit, this is the last day. You done seen us do all this shit from when we woke up all the way to now.
You can't see me.
You trying to do with the pool stick and
Like a
shit.
choke on me.
We done gave y'all a little bit of Juneteenth. We gave y'all some
Hold on.
what?
Oh.
We gave some y'all Juneteenth. We gave y'all the Big Bang. That shit shit. We gave y'all what else? The 4th of July. Accolade. Damn.
Why
We
they
gave y'all
get
a car
big?
show. And basically we gave y'all shit to have a day to keep it up. That's it. Y'all can talk. Ain't no shit to say.
Man, I'm trying to shock a bitch in the dark and live in Center Street Park, for real.
Hey, and we do play strip pool too if your hoes wanna really get naked. We do play that too.
Like
Get
they
your
say-
ass bust, you feel
Like
me?
they say on Travis Porter's Get Naked. Fuck it.
We finna act the ass, just wait.
Bust TJ.
We ain't got no music right now or nothing.
What'd you say?
It's good.
What's happening, man?
So, bitch ass.
Motherfucking crap.
What you gonna say, Tom?
Hey, man, what's this about? Man, one way or no way.
It's zooming in like a motherfucker. Oh, this is cold, bro. I don't know what it's kind for. It was zooming in like a mud. Hey, who is that? That's your girl? That's your wifey? What's her name? Shut up, dog.
That's the same spot it was at the last time, nigga.
No, it ain't.
You
No, it ain't, cause I was drinking like a mug.
You do that?
You probably seen that shit.
We recording, man.
It's good, Quake. You lose it, you get your ass bust.
I need something.
Don't drop nothing on this fucking table, bro.
Just jump down on the table, nigga.
No shit, no ass.
Busting his ass, I just hit the wrong ball. I hit the yellow ball to a different ball. I hit the white one. Come on, Red.
What's your address?
2409.
2409.